Our ancestors were intelligent. They all believed that we lived on a stationary, flat, horizontal plane. And that means all of our ancestors. So since when did we become so smart 500 years ago with the Copernican revolution that we just totally turned our backs on all of our ancestral traditions, which held records and accounts and tabulated their wisdom and catalogued all of their knowledge, that Rome came along and the Jesuits burned, rewrote history and created a new world order called globalism, based on the Santa Globe, something that never existed and never will exist. But there you go. They've educated people to think that they're upside down spinning whilst they're doing their ejaculation, all the other swine-eating things that they do. What they've done is they've turned humanity into prodigal sons. The prodigal son went to sleep with prostitutes and to get intoxicated. And so essentially that's what they're doing. They're distracting people with all of these distractions and pseudoscience, and people are falling for it. So the scripture warns that even the chosen ones, they will try to deceive. So the warning is loud and clear. We need to be very, very careful in these days. Our warfare is a war against the principalities of the air, of the kingdom of the air. It's a spiritual warfare. And the Jesuits are masters of deceiving humanity.